Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to increase your laptop or your computer speaker sound, or how to make your computer or your laptop speaker sound level more louder than before. So let's start it. First, go to your taskbar and right-click on the sound icon. Then click on Open Sound Setting. Then here, just click on Sound Control Panel. Then right-click on your speaker. Click on Properties. Then here, just click on Enhancement, and listen up. How the difference between check the box and uncheck the box. Okay, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video. Thanks and bye for now.